Got a Honda Odyssey, 175,000 miles. Check engine lights, overdue for service. Customer complaint, brakes are grinding. I don't know if you can hear that, but I think their idea of brakes grinding is what I'm pretty sure is a wheel hub bearing assembly. It's kind of got the noise going on, and it completely correlates to the speed of the vehicle. The faster you go, the faster the noise. The slower you go, the slower the noise. The noise also sometimes either goes away and changes pitches going around the curve, and that is a real good indicator of a wheel bearing noise. Usually it's more consistent, like a humming, like sounding like a little Cessna. But again, going around curves tends to change the pitch of that. Now the problem in a minivan is the noise. This one sounds like the right front to me, but these minivans can trick you because they're like in a little acoustic chamber, and it could literally be the right rear one making the noise. So we're gonna put this in the air on a lift, and we'll run it and use a stethoscope to listen to the front wheel hubs, and hopefully we'll be able to pin the noise. If we don't hear anything up there, you can spin the rear wheel hubs by hand, and sometimes you can actually hear it. Oh, green light, can we make it? Yeah. So sometimes you can actually feel it or hear it by spinning it manually, the rear wheels. This is not four-wheel drive. So we gotta get this in the air and pin down which wheel bearing it is. But I don't think their complaint being brake noise in this case. I think it's a wheel bearing. We'll check it out. Following up on the Honda, the Odyssey, the thumping, humming noise on curves. Yes, indeed, I did put this in the air and turn the traction control off and used a stethoscope, literally, and with the wheels running, I just put this stethoscope back here against the spindle, and the specific thumping, humming noise that I was hearing, and usually it's more of a propeller type noise, was on this side and was not happening on the other side. Unfortunately, this one is a bolt-in bearing, so it's nice and easy to do. That is going to solve that job. And I can see these control arm bushings are wasted, but that's a whole nother separate video. So that's that noise. I don't know if you heard it on the test drive. Hopefully you did, and this will be the repair for that, and we'll confirm it with a test drive.